Do you have multiple horizontal photos and you want to add 3 photos into a single reel? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! So to add the 3 photos into one frame, you're not going to be able to do it in Instagram Reels. You're gonna have to do it in Stories. And then there is a trick I'm gonna show you of how to add a video on top of that so you can have one photo, and then a video. But you're not gonna be able to do that when you're in Stories. So you're gonna go in the plus sign and you're gonna press Story. And then you're gonna click the camera. Once you're in the camera, you're gonna go to Layout. And then you're going to change the grid to the 3 lines. Now, you could just press the middle button and take a photo, so like this could be my photo, if I wanted it to. Or I can just press the bottom corner, and then I have my photos. I can change my album, and here's my first photo, and then here's my second photo, and here's my third photo. So you can see, that already looks awesome. If you're taking horizontal photos, this is a great way to be able to show what you're doing, and it just gives you a nice layout. Say I want to change this up, like if you want to change what's where, you have to delete them. So you got to really think about like how you're going to add the photos so that it makes sense with the story. There we go. Oh, I added the same one. Let's delete that one. Let's add this one. And then let's say you like it, so you can press like. There's a cool feature you can do with photos here. If you see the stars, you can do flash effect, which sometimes looks really cool and sometimes it doesn't. Ooh, that's really cool. So I can save the photo with the flash effect, or let's undo that and let's save the photo with this one. And to save this, to download it, I'm going to press that arrow pointing down and I'm going to press download. Now it's in my camera roll. Now to make it a reel and to add a video to it, I'm just going to exit out of here and I'm going to go to the plus and I'm going to go to reel. I'm going to click on that photo and press next. Now if I want to add a video on top, I say put your indicator, go to edit video, and then make sure your indicator, so that white line, is at the beginning of the photo, because if you have that indicator later on, you're not going to be able to add stuff to the beginning. It's only going to start from wherever that indicator is. So you press overlay, and now you select the video. There we go. So the video is going to get added on top. And then I'm just going to make it big so that it fills that frame. Press done. And now look, I'm going to have the photos on the side and then that video in the middle. So this is a cool way if you shoot horizontally to add both photos and videos and to make it a little bit more engaging.